Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about cube roots of unity. Unity means 1. Okay. Cube roots of unity. Let z is equal to cube root of 1. Z is equal to cube root of 1. Now you can write z is equal to 1 power 1 by 3. Cube root of means we can write as 1 power 1 by 3. Cubing on both sides, that is z cube is equal to 1. Z cube is equal to 1. It is a cubic equation. It is having 3 roots. Okay. Maximum at most 3 roots. Okay. Now we'll see what is that roots. Z cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can write as Z cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. Z cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. It is in the form of a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now we can write a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equal to 0. Okay. Now product of two terms equal to 0. Either first term equal to 0 or z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. If z minus 1 is equal to 0, then z is equal to 1. Okay. Now we got one root. We will see what is the remaining 2. See the second equation. What is that? Z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of z. How to find roots of quadratic equation? Here find the b square minus 4ac. It is less than 0. Means it is having imaginary roots. Okay. All a, b, c are real numbers. Okay, it is having conjugate complex roots. It is having complex conjugate roots. Now, what is the formula to find the roots? Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now apply that formula. Z is equal to minus b. B is equal to 1. Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, 2 into a. Now z is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root minus 3 by 2. Now z is equal to minus 1 plus or minus. Now we can write root minus 3 as root 3 into I by 2. Okay. Now we got two roots that are complex. Okay. Now we'll see what is that. Suppose z1 is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2, one root. Z2, that is minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2. We got two roots. That is, one is minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2, another one is minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2. Okay, we got two roots. Now, in complex roots, in complex numbers, now these two roots are called one root, if first one is omega, one new symbol, that is omega. If omega is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2, automatically second one is omega square. If you square this, you will get the second root. Okay, one check it. Now that implies omega square is equal to minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2. One root is omega, another one is omega square. Now, what is the first one? Z is equal to 1. Okay. Now, we got three roots. What is that? 1, omega, omega square. One root is real, another two roots are conjugate to each other. They are complex numbers, they are conjugate to each other. Now we will see the properties of these cube roots of unity one by one. Properties of cube roots of unity. Okay. That is z cube is equal to 1. Yes. Omega 1 omega square are the roots. That must satisfy the given equation. Okay. That is what 1 cube is equal to 1 satisfying. Omega cube is equal to 1. This is the most important property. Omega also the root. Omega satisfies the equation. That is omega cube is equal to 1. The next, by after some between the simplification we got one equation. What is that? Z square plus Z plus 1 is equal to 0. For this equation we got the roots omega and omega square. Okay, omega and omega square means these roots must satisfy the above equation. You can substitute here Z square plus omega plus 1 equal to 0. What we got? Omega square plus omega plus 1 equal to 0. Observe this, sum of the roots are not, sum of the cube roots of unity are not. 1 is 1 root, omega 1 root, omega square also 1 root, 3 roots. Sum of the cube roots of unity is equal to what? 0. Means 1 plus omega square is equal to how much? 0. Sum of cube roots of unity is equal to 0. Next, product of cube roots of unity means you can multiply the 3. 1 into omega square. 1 into omega square. How much? Omega cube. Omega cube is equal to how much? 1. Means product of the cube roots of unity is equal to 1. Means omega cube is equal to 1. Okay. And omega cube is equal to 1. From this, one more property will say. Omega cube means omega into omega square equal to 1. Now we can write omega is equal to 1 by omega square. 1 by omega square. Okay. Next, in the same way, omega square is equal to what? 1 by omega. They are reciprocal to each other. They are reciprocal to each other. Okay, right. These are the most important properties. First one is omega cube is equal to 1. Second one is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. And the third one is they are reciprocal to each other. And they are conjugate. Means omega conjugate is equal to omega square. Omega square conjugate is equal to omega. Okay. Omega conjugate is equal to omega square. Omega square conjugate is equal to omega. Okay. Right. Thank you.